चलो बच्चों शुरू करते हैं ABCD. A is for apple.
A is for apple.
That's right. A is for apple. What letter is this?
B.
Excellent. And what starts with B?
Ball.
Yes, B for ball. And where is the ball?
Perfect.
C.
C for cat.
That's right. Watch me draw a cat.
Meow.
Wonderful.
C is for cat.
Class, what letter is this?
Yes.
D is for dog. Everyone?
Dog.
Wonderful. D is for dog. E is for elephant.
Yeah.
That's right. Let's all say it together.
E is for elephant.
Great. Okay, class, this is the letter F. F is for fish. Can anyone say that?
F is for fish.
Wonderful. Let's draw a fish.
Okay.
G is for giraffe.
Giraffe.
Let's learn the letter H.
H for hat.
And happy. Okay, class, what letter is this?
I. It's the letter I.
Yes.
And I is for ice cream.
Okay, class, this is the letter J. J is for juice. See the picture?
Juice.
Great job. Everyone say J.
J. J for juice.
K for kite. Who knows this letter?
Flag.
Yes, ask the K Florid who can tell me the word.
Kite.
Exactly, K for kite. Great job, everyone. Learning the letter L.
That's right, for lion.
Let's look at this picture. Great job, everyone. Okay, class, who knows what this letter is? Yes, M is for monkey. Everyone, look.
One.
Today we're learning the letter N. N is for nest. Can anyone tell me what's in a nest?
Eggs.
Yes, eggs. Very good. Now everyone draw a nest. Today we're learning the letter O. O, tell me what this is?
Orange.
That's right. O for orange. Great job, everyone. Okay, class, who knows what letter this is?
P.
That's right. P for parrot.
I want to crackle. Wow.
Class, this is the letter Q. Q is for queen. See the picture?
A queen with a crown.
Exactly. Very good, everyone. Let's all say it. Q is for queen. Today we're learning about the letter R.
R is for rabbit.
Can you all say that? Okay, class, this is the letter S. What word starts with S?
Sun. Sun.
Okay, class, today we're learning the letter T. T is for tiger. Watch me draw one.
T for tiger.
Today we're learning for umbrella.
Like
Exactly. Great job, everyone. Today we're learning about the letter V. V. Okay, class, this is the letter W. W.
Like watch.
Exactly. See the second hand moving?
It's watching the time.
That's right. Great job, everyone. Class, this is the letter X. What musical instrument starts with X?
Xylophone.
Exactly. Let's hear the xylophone sound. X, X, xylophone. Look at the board. This is the letter Y. Okay, class, what letter is this?
It's the letter Z.
Yes, Z for zebra. Can you see the zebra?